Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Julie and I post videos focused on affordable drugstore makeup. Today I wanted to share my secret to how I get my natural lashes to be really long and full. And I also wanted to share my top favorite drugstore mascaras. So my secret, well, one of my secrets to getting my lashes really long is using the Grande Lash MD from Grande Cosmetics. And I first discovered this back in 2018, and I was really skeptical about this product, but I did do research on it, and it's not as strong as those prescription grade lash growth serums. So I knew that there were products out there that can make your lashes grow, but I wasn't for sure. I'm like, is this just like a really heavy like conditioning type of product like castor oil or something like that? But this actually has peptides in it, prostaglandins, I think is what it's called, different amino acids to stimulate your lashes to grow. Your eyelashes go through a cycle where you'll lose eyelashes and grow new ones, just like, the hairs on your head. You lose so many hairs a day, and, your hair's always growing and shedding, and that's how your lashes are as well. But this product keeps your lashes from shedding as often, so it keeps them longer through the hair growth cycle so that they can grow longer. But like I said, I started using this in 2018 and I was really skeptical about it. You're supposed to use it every night for 3 to 4 months to get your full lash results, and within the first 2 weeks of using this, I was already seeing a huge difference in my lashes. But after the first 4 months of using this, like, my lashes were forever changed, super long and luscious. This product, though, you do have to continue to use it. You can't just use it for 4 months, stop using it, and like your lashes stay long like this for the rest of your life. Like, you're gonna have to use this consistently to see results and also to maintain your long full lashes. So like, now this is just part of my skincare routine. At the end of the day, I will just take this, and it comes with like a little brush here, and I just paint it on like I would like a liquid liner. It really doesn't take much of this product at all, and I can really extend how long they say you can use this. Like, I think it's like a 3-month supply, their typical one. Like, this is a 6-month supply, but that 3-month supply, like, I swear I can get 6 months use out of it. Like, I can extend that for such a long time, because you do not need a lot of this on your lashes. Now, I don't necessarily have to use it every single night. As long as I use this about 3 times a week, it maintains my lashes length and fullness and everything like that. So that is one good thing about it. Like, once you have been using it for that first 4 months religiously every night, after that you don't necessarily have to use it that often. Like, just 3 times a week is plenty, but I tend to use this every night just because it is part of my skincare routine now. So I highly recommend this if you have stick straight, thin, like not very long lashes. I promise you this will transform your lashes. And then the other thing that I do to make my lashes look longer is I get lash lifts and tints. Not regularly, but maybe like once or twice a year, whenever I feel like my lashes just need an extra boost and lift, I will go and get it done. And that makes a huge difference in making my lashes look longer and more full. So after I had used this for that first 4 months, I remember I scheduled like my first lash lift and tint just to see, if it made like a big difference after using this, and it really did. So that's my secret to long, full, natural lashes. I've never gotten lash extensions or anything like that, and when my lashes are like this, like, I don't even feel like I need to wear false lashes. Every once in a while I might, just to like spice things up, but I swear by this product. So Yeah, love this. My very favorite mascara is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and this is the Full Fan Effect mascara. So it comes with a wand that's kind of curved, a little bit thicker. This is a rubberized wand. This is the mascara that I used today, but I love this because not only does it give my lashes volume, but it also does a good job of separating and like lifting my lashes up. Like I can really get up underneath of here, and I like to like roll the brush forward like this, and it just helps to give my lashes a little bit more lift. So I swear by this. I don't have issues with it flaking or smudging on my upper lashes. On the lower lashes, if it is extremely humid and hot outside, I can have issues with it smudging, in particular on this eye here. I don't know why that is. I think part of it is just because my lashes are so long. And then the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational. This is also another favorite. The brush on this is kind of like that same type of brush that's like with the e.l.f. lash extender, or what is the one mascara that was super popular, like Thrive Cosmetics, like their mascara, it kind of has a wand like that. It's a rubberized brush where it's like a little bit thicker at the bottom and gets slightly tapered at the end. It's really like flexible. But I love the true brown shade in this. It is such a beautiful chocolate brown color. This mascara does provide volume and separation and length. I do find that this one, it is a little bit more lengthening and separating than it is volumizing. Like if you're wanting a really good volumizing mascara, the Lash Sensational, the Full Fan Effect is the one to get. But if you like a mascara that's slightly a little bit more separating and lengthening with maybe like slight volume, this would be your mascara. And if you like a chocolate brown, like if you've been trying to find a good like chocolate brown mascara from the drugstore, this is your mascara. I did a little swatch of the brown so you could see, like, I know in the swatch there it looks like black brown, but really on the lashes it does look like a true chocolate brown. Like, let's swatch just like the really black one so you can see the difference there in the colors. And then the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Love this mascara so much, and the one in Carbon Black is the one that I have loved for like 10 years. Love that mascara. This is a really good, just straight up volumizing mascara. I don't necessarily find this to be super separating or lengthening, but this is a really good volumizing one. And this shade here I really like. It's very unique from the drugstore, and this is in the color Burgundy, which also kind of gives the effect of like a brown mascara. So I just kind of swatched it here on the back of my hand so you can see the color there. So this is Burgundy Voluminous, L'Oreal Voluminous. And this is what the Voluminous wand looks like if you haven't seen it before. It is a natural bristle brush type of wand, just like a classic mascara wand. And yeah, I love the Voluminous. So, and L'Oreal comes out with really pretty like colored mascaras in this formula. Like their blue is a classic, but I really do like this Burgundy. It's also really pretty in the fall. And then the Essence Lash Without Limits, the brown shade. Love this. Now, if you're looking for a lighter brown mascara, this is your mascara. And the wand on this is very similar to the Maybelline Sky High mascara. It's that rubberized kind of brush. And I'm going to swatch this mascara next to the Maybelline True Brown so you can see the difference in the brown colors. But the Essence one is a little bit lighter with the brown than the Maybelline True Brown. So if you've been struggling to find a good brown mascara at the drugstore, get the Essence Lash Without Limits. I love this. I do find this formula to be a little bit more volumizing and maybe a little bit more wet than the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, but they are pretty similar. Both the black and the brown, I really like this mascara. So those are my top drugstore mascaras. You'll have to let us know down in the comments like what your favorite drugstore mascaras are, or which ones you would recommend for us to try out or for me to try out. Like, let us know down in the comments. And maybe if you guys have a lash growth serum that you really like, let us know down in the comments as well, or let us know if you have used Grande Lash MD and if you like it or not, if you've seen a big difference in your lashes the same way that I have. But yeah, I hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any video requests for me, leave them down in the comments. And I do have a tutorial on this makeup look. It's using one of the e.l.f. Bite Size palettes in Pumpkin Pie. So if you haven't seen that tutorial yet, I will have it linked over here. But I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.